you are having trouble with dust particles in your air, with all the other sweepers that you've tried that are on the market, this is going to be the machine for you. This is going to be absolutely a fraction of the cost of all the other dust filter sweepers that are on the market, being the only manual sweeper with suction.
This features a side broom typically used for sweeping along a wall or curb.
The debris that we picked up on that one pass inside the parking garage.
The sweeper will include a small chain that drags on the ground, preventing any type of static electricity from being attracted to the unit.
As you can see, all the way around the cylinder brush in the back here, we call that a chevron brush. You're going to see rubber. Now what that's going to do, that's going to completely seal off that back brush, so that way no dust or dirt can fly into the air and create a dusty environment in your facility. This machine, there's going to be two waste bins. The waste bin in the back is going to be this one here. You can see all that pollen and dust and dirt that we picked up. Normally all that would be flying in the air. We're going to have a HEPA filter on the inside. You can also see all the pollen that came off of that. This is a polyester filter. It's washable. I typically suggest blowing it out with an air compressor. You can use water, but you want to make sure that it's completely dry before you put it back in the machine. Now, the main component to this machine that makes it very unique on the market is this fan on the inside. This is a patented technology. It's the only manual sweeper on the market that actually has suction. When you're pushing the machine forward or backwards, yes, you can sweep going forward and backwards. You'll see that the fan initiates, spins at a rapid pace, pulls all that fine debris in, so that way you get no dust cloud in the air whatsoever.